aka AF, the creator of DEADPXLZ. And today I'm happy to show you the very first demo of the forging process that will go on in the upcoming Pixel Forge. If you're not familiar with that, I suggest you go to pixels.org and check out the white paper, the project white paper, which showcases the entire roadmap of the project, as well as the information that is necessary for you to know about the Pixel Forge and Pixel Wars. So let's go dive in to our very first demo of the Pixel Forge, which is the actual creation process of your forged pixels. So as you all know by now, you can actually select multiple types among multiple types of pixels, aka pixel bases, as we call them, from the 5 possible options that are available right now, which are also 5 types of pixels that can be found in the original 10K collection, minus the legendary category, which will not be part of the upcoming game. So we can see that we can actually cycle through. These are 3D models. And by the way, I just want to do a huge shout out to Fauna, who actually came up with the idea of putting pixels in 3D. He's a very talented artist. And I also announced that we're working together, and I'll be using his 3D models in the game. So pixels have become 3D, by the way, and this is the actual way that pixels will look like in the upcoming game. As you can see, this is actually a browser window, so this is actual game footage. Naturally, there might be bugs. You might see some flickers or anything like that. So just keep in mind that this is the super early version that we're looking at right now. Bugs will be fixed, and also the layout itself might not be final, so things might change as we move on to launch date. Anyways, so I was saying that there's 5 bases that you can pick from. You have the dead base, the reptile base, the vampire base, the wolf base, and the alien base. And once you choose from these, upon which base you want to build on, you click continue, and then the app is going to take you to a place where you can actually select the attributes that you want to add to your forged pixel. Naturally, all of these attributes, including the bases that we saw earlier, will cost ADA. This ADA is part of the royalty initiative that the Forge will basically fuel, where the holders of the original 10K Genesis collection, which can also, by the way, you can also transact these. If you're not aware, you can go to pixels.org/explorer, and that's a dedicated smart contract marketplace for the DEADPXLZ project itself. You can buy and sell and bid on any of the 10,000 pixels in the Genesis collection. This is a different thing, by the way. The forged pixels themselves will be different than the Genesis collection, but they will be your characters that you will get to play with in the upcoming game, but also proceeds from forging, which costs ADA, as I said earlier, will also be rewarded to the 10K Genesis holders on a 5 days or weekly basis. We'll need to sort this out. Anyways, all the information on that is available in the white paper, as I mentioned earlier, and also links to all these useful links will also be added in the description of this video. All right, so back to this. We basically selected a dead base, and now we get the chance to actually add some cool attributes to it, which are also part of the attributes that you all know and love from the 10K Genesis collection, but brought in 3D. We have several types of attributes. These are the special ones. This might change, by the way, so this is not final. I'm just showcasing an early version right now. We have headwear, we have hairstyles, facial hair, eyewear, and also some other accessories which we can choose from. So yeah, let's go ahead and customize our forged pixel. By the way, each of these attributes will also add some stats to the pixel that we're building right now. Stats in the form of either I don't know, health points or energy or stamina and stuff like this. Has not been revealed yet and is not yet final. But each of these attributes, which also cost differently based on their rarity, will be adding some sort of stats to your pixel, to your forged pixel, which will in turn give you a competitive edge in the game, which is a PvP play to earn game. So yeah, let's add, I don't know, let's add a gold chain, and then let's add a cigarette, and let's also add some headwear. You know what? Let's add a Santa hat, and let's add some cool glasses. Let's add the Wayfarers. I like how these look. Okay, so I guess our pixel is pretty much complete right now, and we can actually see it in all of its splendor. We can play around with it, you know, rotate it, check out the details and so on. I think this is actually a very cool looking one. I wonder what this guy will do in the war. Yeah, okay, let's do another one. So this is basically the actual flow of forging. Obviously, it will be much more complex in the actual game. We're gonna, you know, showcase the stats of each attribute, also the prices, and then you're gonna be taken into a payment window and so on. But this is just the early concept. I just want to have fun with you guys and just show you how it looks. I'm actually I haven't tested these out by myself yet. I mean all of them. So it's gonna be a cool surprise for me to actually look at them as well. So let's do another one. Let's do a tight hoodie, and let's do a black eye, and then let's do a halo, so that we get the Kenny pixel. This actually looks pretty good. This is an actual pixel, by the way, and shout out to the holder. Looks very good. Looks very clean. Naturally, they wink. No? Okay, let's do other bases. Let's do a reptile, and let's do a visor. Let's do a cyberpunk reptile. All right, let's do a visor. Let's do a mohawk. Let's do a goatee. Actually, a goat. And then let's do these earrings. How about this? This is so cool. I haven't tested out this combo before. It looks amazing. So cool. Very nice. All right, let's do another one. Let's do a wolf now. No, actually, let's do a vampire, and then we'll do a wolf, and then we'll do a alien. Let's do a vampire. Let's do a classic vampire. Let's make it bloody. Let's add a mantle and hairstyles. I don't know. Let's make him a bit crazy in the head. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, so you have like a crazy hair, bloody mantle vampire here, which is, I think it looks pretty awesome. It's very cool. So cool. Oh man, I can do this all day. It's amazing how fun this is. You know, and the combinations are so rad. All right, let's do a wolf. Let's do a never before seen wolf. I mean, I think we can do a biohazard wolf. Let's see how it looks like. Let's add some glasses. Let's add some cool glasses to it. Yeah. So a biohazard Wayfarer, Clubmasters rocking wolf. This is actually not an actual Genesis combination, but anyways, this can be forged in game. I think this looks amazing. The total number of combinations that you can actually compile is, I think, around 60 or 70,000. So I'm not sure, but this is like there's a much bigger number of unique combinations of pixels other than the 10,000 collection. So cool. All right, let's do one more. Let's do an alien. And let's do another impossible one. Let's do a gladiator alien. Okay. And let's add, I don't know what to add. Let's add a halo on top. Oh my God. This looks amazing. I'm in awe of how cool these look. Each time I stumble upon a new combo, I think it's so cool. Amazing. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do a balaclava vampire, and let's see how it looks like because we haven't actually seen the balaclava in action. And on a vampire, there is no balaclava vampire, by the way. So this is so cool. Yeah. So I guess this is what I wanted to showcase today, and obviously it's early previews, but as promised yesterday, I wanted to do a technical demo for you guys to show you the progress of the Forge and the game. Things are on track, and I'll aim to do these technical demos, these actual demos, much more often once we get to a new milestone and so on. But until then, just I'm happy to have you hang out on Discord, and ask any questions you want. Hit up the marketplace, whatever you want. Discord is a cool, fun place to hang out. Shout out to the community, by the way, and also shout out to everybody who's ever owned or will own Pixel. Things are looking good. The future looks bright, even in the harsh market conditions that we're going through right now. But yeah, this is it. This is AF signing off. Have a great weekend, guys. Cheers.